Hi friends, in today's video, I'm gonna make a remote light dimmer. We can use this circuit to wirelessly control the brightness of an LED. We can use any IR remote with this circuit. So without further ado, let's start this video. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB, which is one of the largest PCB manufacturing company of China. First, I have created schematic diagram of the project. Then I created PCB layout and then I generated Gerber files and upload them to JLC PCB website. Then I selected all required parameters such as dimension, quantity, color and a few more options. Then I click on save to cart. This will send our project into shopping cart. Then I click on checkout securely and then I add my shipping address and select my desired shipping and payment method. After a few days, I have received the PCBs. Let's open up the parcel and look at the PCBs. So these are the PCBs. As you can see, the PCB quality is excellent, silk screen, solder mask, everything is perfect. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. These are my other channels, do subscribe them as well. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Component list, circuit diagram, everything is in the description below. These are all the components we're gonna need for this project. First, connect Arduino and connect its V-in pin to positive supply and its ground pin to ground. After that, I'm gonna connect the IR sensor and connect its pin number 1 to pin D11 of Arduino and its pin number 2 to ground of Arduino. After that, I'm gonna connect a 100 ohm resistor and connect its one pin to pin number 1 of IR receiver and its other pin to 5V pin of Arduino. After that, I'm gonna connect a 10 microfarad capacitor and connect its positive pin to pin number 1 of IR sense and its negative pin to ground. After that, I'm gonna connect IRZ44 MOSFET and connect its pin number 3 to ground. After that, I'm gonna connect a 10K resistor and connect its one pin to pin number 1 of the MOSFET and its other pin to ground. After that, I'm gonna connect a 1K resistor and connect its one pin to pin number 1 of the MOSFET and its other pin to pin D2 of Arduino. After that, I'm gonna connect a 12V DC light and connect its negative pin to pin number 2 of the MOSFET and its positive pin to 12V positive supply. So we have completed the circuit. Now let's upload the code to Arduino and test it. Before uploading the code, we need to include this library. To do that, click on Sketch, then go to Include Library, then click on Add Library and select the library file. Now click on Upload button to upload the program. You can use any old remote with this circuit. To set the remote, go to Serial Monitor and press the desired button of your remote. Here you can see the command of that button. Copy that command and paste it here. Similarly, paste 2 more commands for increasing and decreasing the brightness. Now let's test the project. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more videos like that, stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.